Know your costs, fixed costs, variable costs, and marginal costs. Presented by Morality Rachel Ann, Sabanol Shaira, Sayo Jillian, and Sugdan Shiznishan. Objectives: to compute each cost using the given data, to identify the fixed costs, variable costs, total, average, and marginal costs of bakery production, to understand how these costs affected the overall production cost. A small bakery has the following monthly cost: for rent, 10,000 pesos; for salaries of permanent staff, 15,000 pesos; for ingredients, flour, sugar, etc., 20 pesos per loaf of bread; for electricity, 2,000 pesos.
If the bakery produces 1,000 loaves in a month, answer the following. Question number 1. What is the fixed cost or FC?
Fixed cost equals rent plus salaries plus electricity. So 10,000 pesos for the rent plus 15,000 pesos for salaries and plus 2,000 pesos for electricity. So i-add ni mo tanan, then ang fixed cost is 27,000 pesos.
Number 2. What is the variable cost or VC?
Variable cost depends on the number of loaves produced. Variable cost equals cost per loaf times number of loaves. 20 pesos in ingredients per loaf times 1,000 pesos for quantity equals 20,000 pesos. So the variable cost is 20,000 pesos.
Number 3. What is the total cost or TC?
Total cost equals fixed cost plus variable cost. The fixed cost is 27,000 pesos plus the variable cost is 20,000 pesos. So the total cost is 47,000 pesos.
Number 4. What is the average cost or AC?
Average cost. Average cost equals total cost number of loaves. 47,000 pesos divided by 1,000 pesos for quantity. The average cost is 47 pesos per loaf.
Question number 5. If the bakery increases production to 1,001 loaves and the additional cost of the 1 loaf is 20 pesos, what is the marginal cost or MC?
So the marginal cost is 20 pesos. To sum up everything, the bakery's total monthly cost is 47,000 pesos. Each loaf costs 47 pesos on average, and producing one additional loaf adds 20 pesos to the total cost.